My name is Madhavi Adodariya, and before 2 years, I come to Bangalore. Previously, I am working as a professor in Gujarat. I thought I need to learn new things. So I choose a data scientist because I'm very curious about that thing like AI, ML, and all those things. So I saw so many companies are there, but I saw the reviews and all those things. Then I choose the Learnbay. I'll talk with the teams and all. They explain me everything. They explain me about courses, how they are conducting and everything. After starting course, I learned so many things from there, like proper from scratch. I can say Learnbay is teaching. After Python, they start with machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and all those things. Also cover Power BI, Tableau, and all other things covered. Also, they conduct the mock interviews and all those things. That also helped me to build my interview skills and all those. So that is very good experience. Learnbay give me one opportunity at a Canarys Automations Pvt Limited. They are very good and they are teaching also properly and in detail. Everything they helped in many things. Also, if we ask some other question, also they will answer properly, and I like that all.